Okay, so this tutorial is going to be just an introduction to some of the basic controls in Audacity. So once you have Audacity installed, just click on the shortcut on your desktop. That's the fuzzy orange thing with headphones. And right away we see some controls that resemble a CD player or an old school tape deck or recorder. The basic buttons are play. We also have record, pause, and stop. So right away, let's just try out recording. It's one of the most simple things we can do. It's just hit the big red circle. All right, we're recording. And you hit stop to stop recording. And so what you'll notice is that an audio track appears as soon as you start recording. And it gives you a waveform representation of what you have just said or recorded. And it's just a visual representation of what you're doing. So we can hit play to listen back to it.
Alright, we're recording.
And you can hit stop to stop the recording. If you have a longer recording, it's useful. If it reaches the end, it stops automatically. You can also hit pause. And pause will stop, and you'll see the little line that shows you where you are in your playback will stop right where you hit pause, and then if you hit pause again, it'll play back from that same spot. So I'll just show you how that works again.
Alright, we're recording.
Okay, and what I'm using right now is the selection tool. It kind of looks like what you have in a word processor. It works pretty much the same way. It's the default tool. If you ever need to select it, it's up here in the tools palette and in the top left corner, and you can use that to choose where you want to play back from. So if I click here on the track, you'll notice that this is where the line will start. So if you hit play,
Alright, we're recording.
it'll play back from that spot. If I choose the middle of the recording, so the line appears here, it'll play back from that spot. The other thing you can also do to move around within your project is use the skip buttons. So the skip buttons, we have skip to the beginning, and skip to the beginning will bring our line back to the beginning. Also skip to the end will bring our line to the end. So those are just a few of the basic controls in Audacity. Why don't you go ahead now and open up Audacity and just try playing around with it, try recording a bit, and get comfortable with it, and then we'll move on to the next tutorial.